So hey, hello guys, what's up everybody, it's your Ranjit Gautam and back to again in this video. Hey dude, so dude, today's video is going to be very useful, very special, very fascinating for you all guys, because today this video is going to learn to you all that how you can learn English and how you can improve your English by ChatGPT. Yeah guys, means today's topic name is how we learn and how we improve your English, how we can improve our English with the help of ChatGPT. So yes dude, this is very beneficial for all of us and for you also guys. If you are using ChatGPT, and some people will be using this app maybe, and this is very useful for learning English. So let's start this video. And one more thing guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel, so subscribe first and let's get started this video. So dude, firstly we will talk about vocabulary, that how you can learn vocabulary from the ChatGPT. If you haven't know any word, like if you don't know what is the meaning in Hindi, what is the meaning of Hindi fascinating word, so dude, you can go there, you will go there and then you will search that what is the meaning of fascinating in Hindi. Then ChatGPT automatically will answer you, and he will answer you that this meaning in Hindi of this word. So dude, this is the better app for improving our English, and this is the very easy app for beginners to learn English, to improve English. And dude, if you are free anytime, so you can use your time to talk with ChatGPT. Yeah dude, I am also use this every time for my study and for English learning dude. So dude, if you have free time to expand and to learn English with ChatGPT, so you can use. And I am telling to you all that you should use this app, because this will exactly improve your English. So dude, and if you have any doubt, so you can clear with it. You can add like suppose if you are finding difficult to learn any topic, and guys, if you are find it too difficult to learn something about English, about any topic dude, so you can discuss with the ChatGPT and this will clear you perfectly guys. Yeah dude, this will clear you. And dude, if you have any doubt in grammar, if you want to learn articles, conjunction, preposition, anything, so you can ask from the ChatGPT and this will clear you perfectly dude. So dude, this is the use of ChatGPT. If you are using this, so it will beneficial for you all and for the beginner also. If you are beginner, so this video is for you and you will learn from this. I am not telling to you all give more time to this app. If you have any doubt, so you can ask with the ChatGPT and this will clear you. And dude, you can confess the ChatGPT like a friend, and I am talking with it like friendly. Every day I am talking with ChatGPT and I am improving my English with the ChatGPT. So dude, that's all for today. And if you have any question, if you have any doubt, so dude, you can ask with me, and you can write in the comment section and I will try to give answer of that. We will meet in my next video. So that's all for today guys, that's all for today. So bye bye guys, see you in the next video.